there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Sunbeam LED nightlight. Yes. Now, I have this nightlight plugged into a little extension cord to actually display it for you here. And it is very, very good to use this. It gives off just enough light for the sense of security. See, you turn that on and there's just enough in a dark room. There's just this little light going, and the surrounding glass here, so you can see it off my finger here, the surrounding glass kind of illuminates the light a little bit more just to give it a nicer shine. You know, that scared little kid that's maybe in the bedroom thinking that something's gonna get him. Yeah, but what it is that this is not only used for children. A lot of people need little night lights to just maybe have like around, actually good for it, have it around your house. Like say you have a large house and you need to kind of get around in the house, say at nighttime when everybody's asleep, everything's shut down, and you have a large house. It's nice to have maybe just one of these plugged into like a small little corner or something, one spot in the kitchen, in each large room that's not a bedroom, you know, unless you need it for your child or whatever. But it's nice to have one of these just like, say, going in, say, the kitchen or at the end of a hall or something like that, just to kind of light the way just enough to get you to where you're going in your house without having to turn on any lights to get there. Sometimes this is enough to actually, you know, give you sufficient amount of light to do whatever you need to do when you get up in the night and need to check something or go to the bathroom or whatever, you know. And it also helps if having this for guests you may have in your house, you know, like that don't know your house very well, and they need to get up and go to the bathroom or do something at nighttime. This kind of lights the way a little bit, you know. It's kind of nice having something like that. Or also in the bathroom, a lot of times it's nice to have one of these just in your bathroom. So, because I know when I get up and have to go to the bathroom at night, and I really do not want to have to turn on the light because, I mean in the bathroom, because, you know, your eyes are not used to the light and it's just a hassle. You don't want to have to do that. But your eyes can take this little burning little light that's in the corner there in the plug, just enough for you to see just a little bit, you know, to do whatever you're doing in the bathroom. Yeah, I mean, it's very convenient. I mean, I've used these all around the house for several years now, and it's always done me well. But especially, I kept one in my son's room. We don't use it anymore, but we used to when he was very small and was kind of scared to sleep in there by himself, you know. I mean, we'd have the door open and everything, but, you know, kids get nervous a little bit, you know. And so when you turn this on, and, you know, it gives them just a little bit more sense of security that, you know, everything's okay. Something about that little light that makes you feel like, okay, there's nothing going on in here. Yeah, I don't know what it is about the darkness that really freaks people out, but yeah, these are good for keeping your child feeling safe and to light up the house, you know, in those little tiny spots, just enough to get around without having to turn on any large lights, and especially the bathroom. The bathroom is a number one for this. You do not want to have to turn on lights, because if you turn on lights, it hurts your eyes. Your eyes aren't used to it. And if you deal with it, turn the light on or whatever, and you deal with it, it's kind of hard to get back to sleep again, right? It's just a sad situation if you have to do that. But That's why I use these, and they're really good for that. And what's also good is when you touch this, it's cool to the touch. You know, you can touch this and it's not going to be all burning hot. It's fine. Even this part, see? It's good and safe. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, it's a very convenient way. Oops, this came off. Actually, this slips off and slips back on if you want to change the bulb. Yeah, so it slips right back on. It's like that. Yeah, goes right back on. And then you can change the bulb out if you need to. Yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. This is the Sunbeam LED nightlight. Yeah, very good for the household. Okay, hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.